Hello guys, this video is the only thing you need to start a profitable dropshipping business. Now, after watching this video, I can assure you that you are ready. You are completely ready to start a dropshipping business and you are going to start making money like almost immediately. All right. Welcome here. My name is Courage. And in this video, I'm going to reveal everything dropshipping business for beginners. I'll ask you to please like this video. That's all I'm going to ask of you here. Give this video a thumbs up because the more like this video gets, the more people get to see the video. And if you are new here and you'd like to see more content like this, consider subscribing and also turn on the bell icon so that you'll be among the first people to get notified whenever I post videos. Okay, so guys, without wasting time, let's start. Let me show you dropshipping business for beginners and how you can get started this very moment. Yeah, now dropshipping simply entails selling a physical product that you do not stock. You see how amazing it is, right? You don't keep stock of the product, but you are selling this product. You don't keep inventory, right? All you do is known as retail fulfillment. A customer purchases an item from you. The customer pays you. You pay the seller, and the seller will send the item to the customer. Do you understand? So you are like a middleman. The customer does not go to the seller. The customer comes through you, pays you the money, you pay the seller, and the seller delivers the product straight to the customer. You are not paying for delivery, you are not paying for logistics, nothing. You only do the connection. How amazing can that be? That is what dropshipping does. That is what dropshipping is all about. That is the power that you have as a dropshipper. This video is going to reveal everything to you. Now, this is the dropshipping business model, right? Stage one, because it has three stages. Stage one is that a customer orders a product. For instance, the product might be $80, right? That you are selling a product for $80. A customer orders this product and pays you $80. And then this product, the seller is selling it for $30. So you send the order, you send that customer's order to the seller. And then you send $30 to the seller. Okay? Then the seller, which is the supplier, sends the product as step 3. Send the product to the customer. So you have made $50 profit. Watch this arrow. This arrow is the customer. The customer purchases from your own store. Then your store, customer pays $80. While you, from your store, you send the order to the supplier with the customer information and everything. And you pay the seller $30. Then the seller packages the product here and then sends this product to the customer without coming through you again. So you just keep $50 profit. Amazing, right? Let's get started. So in Nigeria, dropshipping can be classified into two forms: retail fulfillment and product reselling. I hope you get it. In Nigeria, dropshipping can be classified into two forms. We have the retail fulfillment and we have the product reselling. All right. Now, although the ideal dropshipping model globally is retail fulfillment, however, such is not the case in Nigeria. It is very rare, but it happens. There's a lot of retail fulfillment in Nigeria. I can tell you that I've sold so many products, especially products in the kitchen equipment, right? And even some health products. I've sold these products in the retail fulfillment model, whereby customers pay me, I pay the supplier, and supplier supplies the customer. So it happens, but it is not as common as product reselling. So the most common dropshipping model in Nigeria is product reselling. You advertise the product, a customer pays for the product, you take that money, you go and buy from the seller, and then you yourself deliver it to the customer. This is product reselling. It's a different model of dropshipping. All right. Now, there are 7 steps to starting the dropshipping business, a successful dropshipping business, 7 steps. Now, I can assure you that if you follow these 7 steps, you will achieve success in this dropshipping industry. You're going to achieve success. So what are these 7 steps? Let me show you. Step 1 is research. All right. You have to decide on the model you want to adopt. Is it the retail fulfillment or the product reselling? The choice is absolutely yours. I have explained both to you. So you have to decide on which of the models to adopt. And then you decide on the product that you want to drop ship. Which product, which niche? Do you want to, which niche? Is it fashion? Is it shoes? Is it baby clothes? Is it baby shoes? Is it adult shoes? Which niche? Is it kitchen equipment? Which niche? Is it medical supplies? Which niche would you like to focus on? Right? Which products do you want to drop ship? Once you have decided on the kind of products you want to drop ship, and then the next thing is to decide on the kind of audience you want to serve. All right. You can be saying that, okay, I want to drop ship shoes. Which shoes? Do you want to serve is it male shoes or female shoes? If it is male shoes, what kind of male? Is it working class men or engineers, or you decide, because it's going to help you sell more when you understand who you are selling to, right? That's the audience you are selling to. Then the next step is to research for suppliers. Find suppliers, get their number, get their details, and then you start the business. That is the point of research. All right? Good. So the next step, but look out, when searching for suppliers, you should look out for 3 key things, which is the product quality. You must ensure that at all time you are always selling quality products, not products that people are going to buy today and then they hate you forever. No, sell quality products. The next one is to know the product price. The price should be super affordable. You should be able to make profits, right? Then product availability. If the price is high, then you might not be able to make as much profit as possible. So you might want to leave that product. Then availability. Is the product readily available? If you have customers who are buying in bulk constantly, will the supplier be able to make the supplies available? If the supplier cannot fulfill, then you may want to leave that supplier and find another supplier. Go into the market. There are many suppliers. Find one that's going to serve you well and you're going to make a lot of money selling. You don't want a supplier that will give you products today and tomorrow if you request for 10, they don't have. It's going to affect your business. Always find a supplier that has products in bulk that you can always trust. Step 2 is negotiation. For real, you are in dropshipping business to make money, right? So you need to negotiate with your supplier, because the price the supplier sells to you will determine how much you sell, and also will determine your profit. All right. So if the supplier is selling for you at a high price, then you might not be able to sell, which means that your profit will be very, very low. That's a problem. So you need to be able to up your negotiation skill, negotiate properly, and then find a supplier that you are both in sync so that the business can flourish. Yeah. The next step, which is step 3, is to make your own creatives. Now, ideally, suppliers are going to be sending images and videos to you. That's fine. If they send it, you can alter it. You can be creative with these pictures. But I always advise that you go to the supplier store. If you have access to go there, take the images by yourself with your own phone. Make videos. You can buy backdrops or most of those pop-ups, like props that people use to make nice product videos and stuff. Make your videos by yourself. Do you know why? You're going to be different. You're going to be differentiating yourself from other sellers, because you're not the only one drop shipping from that supplier. There's definitely other set of people who are also getting products from that supplier and drop shipping. So if a supplier sends you pictures and videos, be assured, just know that he's also sending the same pictures and videos to other drop shippers that are collecting from him. So imagine that all of you start sending the same pictures and videos. It's boring. So you need to differentiate yourself. Create your own creatives, right? Make your videos by yourself. If you cannot go there, send someone to help you and go and take those things. It's going to help your business. You are going to be surprised at how these little things can influence your sales massively. So the 4th step is to have an online presence. You cannot do without selling online these days. Everyone almost buys almost everything online, right? So you need to create a social media account with a unique name, not just a regular name that everybody uses. Find a unique name, right, that stands out, that is easy to remember, and simple to pronounce and spell. It has to be very simple to spell and to pronounce. People don't have to start racking their head and start thinking too much before they remember your name or before they're able to spell your username online. Use simple, easy to remember and to spell and to pronounce names. It's going to help you so much. It's going to stand you out. And of course, your name has to be unique to you, right? Don't use plenty of underscores, this underscore, that. Be creative. Come on, be creative. Use your creative juice to come up with something, right? And then post these pictures and videos online. including on your WhatsApp status. Spread the word. Let people know that that this is what you do. This is the business you do. Because a closed mouth does not feed. All right? Open your mouth and speak. Promote yourself. Word of mouth. Let people know in your place of worship, in your work environment, in your school, wherever you find yourself in your neighborhood. People need to know that that person sells shoes. That person sells hair. This person sells this and that. So that if anybody wants it, they can easily direct them to you. They can give them your number or your handles and they'll buy from you. Right? So yeah, open your mouth and speak. Let people know that this is the business you do. Step 5 is to join online groups. There are many of them. Honestly, there are many of these market groups on Facebook that you can actually join. They allow advertising. You can go there, you advertise your products, and people are going to buy. They buy among themselves. There are many of the groups, and they have large followings. So you may want to consider those. Don't dull yourself. Join these groups, and you're going to make sales, right? I've seen people, ladies who do this. They join these groups, even men. They creatively promote themselves with nice pictures, because pictures people feed with their eyes before they eventually buy. If your pictures are not appealing, if your videos are not appealing, you are losing customers. You can also display your products on Facebook Marketplace. It's free. It's free. Facebook Marketplace. It's effective and it's free. Just put the products there, put the price of, and also probably put the location. People will contact you and they're going to buy from you. Right? That's the 5th step. Let's go to the 6th step now, guys. Please, if you're enjoying this video, give it a thumbs up. Please like this video so that more people get to see it here. Thank you. Thank you for liking it. Number 6, advertise. You cannot grow a business without advertising. If you have the best product, the best service, the best everything, and nobody knows it, then nobody's going to buy. So how do you get people to know your product and your business? It's by advertising. It's by putting your products out there, putting yourself out there, announcing yourself, letting people know, creating offers, right? So learn to run advert on Facebook and Instagram. It's easy now, very easy, right? So if you don't know how to run advert effectively, you need to learn how to run advert on Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp. I've made videos on all of them. So I'm going to link the video in the description below. So after watching this very video now, you go to the description of this video. You will see, I will line them up: Facebook advert, Instagram advert, and advert to WhatsApp. Watch these videos and I assure you that you will start running adverts this moment. You don't need any special skill. Once you watch these videos, I broke it down step by step, beginners friendly. Once you watch the videos, you're going to be perfectly running adverts for yourself. All right. So the 7th step is to have a good customer service. Create an amazing experience. Now, when people experience love, when people experience goodness, awesomeness, they are going to return back. They're going to buy from you continuously. They're going to refer their family and friends. They're going to speak good of you. That is how businesses grow. If you have a poor customer service, your business will not grow. People will avoid you. People will stay away from you. People will tell other people to stay away from your business. So if you have an exceptional customer service, you are going to make sales consistently, because people go to where they are appreciated. People go to where they are cherished. People go to where they are treated well. If you treat your customers well, they are always going to come back to you. Hello, can you hear that? If you treat your customers well, they're always going to come back to you, because people go to where they are treated well and appreciated. This is a business skill, a very pivotal, a very necessary business sense that you need to have. Right, guys? So with these 7 steps, you are completely ready to start your own dropshipping business. If you have any question, if you have any remarks, if you have any comments, I'll be in the comment section below. I'm ready to interact with you and meet you. Ask your questions, bring them in. I answer all the questions. Drop your comments and I'll always be there to respond to you. All right. Thank you for watching this video, guys. Please like, drop your comments, share this video with as many as possible who you know is going to find it helpful. I'm rooting for you guys. I wish you success in your dropshipping business. And I'll see you in my next video. Cheers.